Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand, the steam cabinets. Let me give you the overall sizes first. The unit's length is about like 26.5 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like 20.5 inches. And the overall height is about like 57 inches. As we can see, the units made all stainless steels. They have a big strong handlebar at front, also a lock. And you can just pull it up and open the door. And the units come with the 4 wheels at the bottom, easy for you to move. And we have 12 pans, all stainless steels made inside. Let me give the dimension for the pantries. For this pan, about like 23.5 inches in the length and 15.5 inches in the depth, and the height is about like almost 2 inches. All these pans are removable, and we can take a look closer to see the inner side of the units. We can just simply to pull out the pantries. We can see they have 3 pair of the burner elements inside, and also have a fluid bolts right here to notify you the level of the waters. So just making sure it don't dry here is what will damage the elements. And you can see the inner side also made by stainless steels. Also, we can turn around to see the back of the units. We can see top, they have an exhaust the bolt right here. And the diameters for these small connections, about like 3 4 inches. And also having the details about the units, the products names, and using the 220 power or 380 powers. And the power connections, you need to install from the licensed technicians to do this installation for you. And also this one for the water inject, and the pipes diameters is also about like 3 4 inches. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.